goodness. Oh my goodness. You are so gosh darn cute. Hands up, hands up. Raise the roof. Hey, you. Of course, 3 for 3 on the yawns. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at those ears. And of course the little paws. Yeah. No, that's not Mama's milk. I'm sorry, that's not Mama's milk. Hello, cutie. Look at that. You're saying hello. Oh my goodness. Well, everybody, these are our 2-week-old white labs. Look at how cute these little guys are. I'm gonna zoom in for you. Just look how cute these guys are. Oh my goodness gracious. So these are some of the chonkiest puppies we've ever had. We're gonna be getting some cuddles today, so I hope you guys stick around. Enjoy the video. Enjoy the cuteness of these 2-week-old yellow Labrador puppies. Oh my goodness, look at that face. Look at that face. And as we cuddle with them here and put them in different positions and kind of turn them on their backs like that, it kind of helps socialize them, get them in new positions, and makes them all around better doggos. So we're getting some cuddles and doing some beneficial work at the same time. Look at that, that's your first belly rubs, huh? That's your first belly rubs. All right, good job. Very good job. All right, well, this is one of our males. And as you guys can see, we got no collar on this one. So puppy number 1, very cute, of course. Say goodbye. Bye, bye, bye. Hi, cutie, who is this? Always is gonna start with a yawn, huh? You guys always go with the yawns. Well, you're very cute. All right, everybody, well, this is our blue collar here. I think you can kind of see. We are all very, very sleepies this morning. All right, look at this. I'm gonna turn you on your back real quick. How about that? How about that? Good job. Very good job. You guys can kind of see here, if I can get in close enough. This little guy's eyes were just barely open here just a second ago. Let's see if he'll do it again, huh? Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are so gosh darn cute. Look at those ears. And of course the little paws. Yeah. No, that's not Mama's milk. I'm sorry. That's not Mama's milk. Holy mackerel, you guys are so cute. Hey, you. Of course, 3 for 3 on the yawns. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is our lightest puppy out of this particular litter. She's like almost all the way white, whereas a lot of the other ones are a lot darker yellow. Look at that. It's so funny, these guys are so chonky that they don't really do much, you know? They kind of just hang around and cuddle and sleep. And there's nothing wrong with that. Alright, I'm gonna turn you on your back as well. Look at that, good job. Good job. You're doing so good. There you go. There you go. And I think it's whenever I turn them over on their backs that their eyes barely open, but you can kind of see this little one was just kind of blinking ever so slightly. So here within the next week, their eyes will be totally about 100% open. You guys will be able to see and walk around and stumble all over the place as you learn to walk. You're a little camera shy, huh? Want to wave hello or goodbye? And who do we have here? 4 for 4 on the yawns, of course. This is our little pink collar here. She just showed it off for you guys. Oh my goodness gracious. You're so cute. Look at those cute paws. Man, you just got yawn after yawn, huh, sweetie? Alright, well, let's see how you do on your back real quick. You're okay. You're okay. Good job. Good job. Very good job. So when they wiggle like that, you know, you kind of want to hold them for a little bit. It's okay if they're a little uncomfortable, but you don't want to like force them. So after about 5 seconds, that was good enough. Ain't that right? You are so cute. Hands up, hands up. Raise the roof. Raise the yawns. Oh my goodness. These guys are like little teddy bears. Hi. So this is one of our no collars here, if you can see. Super tiny. Look at that puppy. Little puppy butt, of course. And this is a female. My cutie. Let me get you a nice purple collar or something like that, huh? Holy mackerel. Alright, I'm gonna turn you on your back for a second, okay? 3, 4. See, it's not so bad. You get used to it. You get used to it. It's a very good job. Very good job. Huh. There we go. Alright. Well, that was fun. And last but not least, can we go 6 for 6 on the yawns? Can we go 6 for 6? You got it, buddy. Come on. There we go. I knew it. I knew it. Alrighty, guys. So this is our black collar. There you go. Hi, buddy. And this little guy is a male, and he's on the bigger side of all the other puppies in the litter, but definitely not the biggest. Look at that. You don't mind it at all, huh? Maybe keep going. Holy mackerel. These guys are the cutest. So we got no eye movement with this guy yet, but I'm sure within the next week they'll be fully open just like all the others. That's gonna do it for all 6 of our puppies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to Life with Labradors and check out our online pet store, fatpuppystore.com, because these guys are definitely chonky. But for now, we're gonna be saying paws out.